energy, okay? Then the rest of it, we will be up here in the shoulder blades area, the upper carriage, okay? We're gonna be involving that. So, and our feet, the balls of the feet, very, very important. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with a warm up that is just gonna be the feet, okay? Just the feet.
It's so low for me. It's so low for me.
Let's stand up. Get a chair. Maybe you don't have a chair. All right. Get nice recognition with the hands into the chair. And just bounce, bending the knee, one at a time. Yeah, boom. Keep the recognition in the hands, the elbows. Now, let's get a bit more intention. Now, how high can you get? Up on to the balls of the feet and up, up. Almost put the toes before you land. Yep, and up. Really feel the balls of the feet. Well, I'm just keeping the feet connected to the floor, yep. Now I'm gonna recognize my hips rise up into the balls of the feet and up. Recognize the hips. Press the palms firmly down into the hips. Recognize the balls of the feet. Recognize the sacrum and the pubic bone. Okay, nice. Now arms to the side and up. And down. And up. Down. And up. Each time we rise, take it from the pubic bone and the sacrum. It's only recognizing, yep. Now can we take our arms up? How's it feeling? Try and stay right in the center of the balls of the feet. Okay, hands come down to the chair. Let's move back a bit so that the hips are in line with the feet. And I just want to round my back and push out to my sacrum and pubic bone. Okay, here we go. And in. Back. In. Back. Out. Really recognize the palms into the chair. And in. Out. Up. Now take the chin down. Now can you give me a bend of the knees you push out? Boom. Bend. Up. Bend the other knee. Now can you give me some intention in the hips and the pubic bone, yeah? A little quicker. Now give me intention from the pubic bone. Press those palms into the chair so you can feel it in the upper body. Yeah, and up. Hip, hip, hip. Up. Sway, sway, sway. Up. Woo. Up. Don't drop your back when you're going down. Okay? Up. Not this. Up. Pubic bone. Hip, hip, hip. Up. Two more. Up. Okay. Shake the knees out. Whew. How are we feeling? Okay, just place his hand onto the back. Can you see the jazz hand? Yep, not soft fingers. Or this, intention. Other hand, on the chair. And also what you're going to do is bring your toe to the knee. Point it out to the side. Up. Out to the side. Up. Out to the side. Up. Now slide it. And up. Slide it into the floor, the big toe. Up. Slide it into the floor. Can you see I'm painting the line into the floor? Now I paint the line up my leg. Shoot it out. One more. How's that hand feeling at the back? Swap sides. Shake it out. Well, it's not that easy, is it? God, what's it going to be like when we put a heel on? Whew. Jazz hand. Intention. Here too, intention. Remember, point the toes. Yep. This time can you recognize the pubic bone? Can we just recognize it? Here we go. Out we go. And up. 2. Shoot out. Slide. Huh. Push it up. Try and get that knee higher each time. And up. Boom. Slide it. Intention. How's that backhand doing? Is it floppy? Or are you really waking up that scapula? Boom. Hook. Nice. Okay, let's just do a body roll. Okay? We can use the chair. Or if you want, the chair here. Yup. It's up to you where you want to do it. I'm going to use the chair for my new people. Alright, first thing first. Recognize the hands on the chair. Picture someone on the chair that you like. Yep. Give them a nice, firm welcoming. Alright, now can we just go chest, pop back, bend the knees slightly, core or tummy, pubic bone, butt, chest, core, pubic bone, butt, chest, core, pubic bone, butt, rise up, chest, core, pubic bone, butt, up, butt. Now you can really play with it. Duck, boom, hook. You want to be working every muscle, every tendon, every connective point, every bit of tissue, every fiber, every cell. Okay? So let's just start this once more. Press the hands into the chair. Rise up into the balls of the feet. Recognize what you're feeling. Right from the balls to the ankles, to the knees, to the thighs, to the hips, pubic bone, thoracic spine, the core, the back. Find all those connections. Give some nice intention to all of them. Now break it down. Keep intention. Chest, core, pubic bone, butt. Say it mindfully. Again, chest. It can look really nice, making it small. Yep. But you've got to be able to make it big too. Get every part of the body woken up. every part of the body that it takes to make this look the way it looks. Up. Now with the leg. Yep. Up. Boom. Up. Down. Yep, you play with it. Okay, I'm going to come to the chair. Now just before we put on our heels, let's just get the balls of our feet. Right. I want to start making sure that I start correctly. We want to start correctly. So we're just going to get the balls of the feet onto the floor, get our positioning feet nice and wide. Make it very animalistic here. So we're going to take our feet and knees parallel. Yep. Just recognize the balls of the feet. Get your piriformis right onto the edge of the chair until you feel you've got a where you feel you're going to fall. Oh, hold on a minute. Yeah. That's okay. That's the fight flight. Now get comfortable so that you can feel naturally that you just want to lengthen that spinal channel and just feel gorgeous. Now we're reconnecting with our feminine lines here. Okay, the feminine energy that's in the universe that we all need to be aware of, acknowledge, and love. Right? So we're working those feminine lines, right? Okay, so lift the heels off the floor. Press the palms into the thighs. Yeah? And we're just gonna isolate. And what you want to do is you just want to notice when your heels start coming down to want to go to the floor. Because remember, you're starting with the heel right up. Okay? Which is going to wake up all this beautiful pelvic and sacral area. Yeah? All the magic is here. The yuck is in the core. So, lift the heels. That's where we want to start. Now, recognize the palms. Okay? And I want you to recognize the hands as you press and transfer to the other side. Now here, I'm recognizing the elbows. Now I'm recognizing the elbows. I'm feeling it in the forearms.